Good morning, professors, all participants, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming here today. Here is our members. First of all, let us introduce ourselves. His name is Walid Ipawanit. Her name is Julipanin Noi. And me, my name is Nayasandong. We are from Science-Based Technology Vocational College, Chonburi, third year of Electronic Technology. Today, we would like to present about our project. The title of project is Analyzing Spine Movement by using ASMM. Let's know about the abbreviation of ASMM. ASMM stands for Analyzing Spine Movement Machine. These are our outline. Let's move to introduction. Nowadays, cholecyst has occurred in people between 10 to 18 and over 50 years old. Humpback sitting is one of the problems that causes cholecyst. Cholecyst can be created by using only X-ray. That the cost of treatment by using X-ray machine is expensive. Based on this problem, we made analyzing spine movement machine. This machine can be checked the abnormality of human spine. This machine can also use with any children. They can be safe when they use ASMM. We hope that the machine will have benefit for healthcare especially. Next are our objective. First, to study and design ASMM. Second, to experiment ASMM. And the last, to collect the satisfaction of users.
Here are our materials such as white PLA plastic flexible sensors. Let's move to the method slide. First, we draft and design ASMM by using SolidWorks program. Then we install integrated circuit and flexible sensor. Next, we drill wire through workpiece. After that, bump wire with sensor and signal connector. Write a program by using Arduino program. Finally, test the system and collect the result of ASMM satisfaction survey. Here are our experiments. Here are our experiments. We have picture and video inside. From the table 1, we found that the average of satisfaction result by using ASMM was 4.08. It was divided into 10 details. You can see the result from this table 1. Here are some photos of our interviewing.
Let's move to our discussion and conclusion. Our machine can be reported the result to monitor that corresponded to the concept of Ahmed-Ramsey Halaf. This project can be analyze human backbone effectively. Finally, our project can also display the result to the screen. Here are some examples of analog dashboard graph. You can scan this QR code to watch our video how to use ASMM. Thank you for listening. Our presentation, if you have any question, we are ready to answer. Thank you.
Thank you for your presentation. I would like to know the actual result of your spine movement analysis. Could you tell us about that result?
This result is unit from converting from ohm value by sensor.
So what is the variable that you measure or track?
It is absolutely it is ohm value. Then we convert ohm value to hours unit for make standard value.
Okay, so you get some value from your system, and how that value tell some information. How can you interpret that value to be physical meaning? So what that value tell you, and what information that I can get from that value?
It is laid out from flexible sensor.
The layout?
Lead out. Get value from sensor, flexible sensor. Yes.
Yeah, so that value from flexible sensor, I don't know. Suppose if I get the value, so what is the meaning of that value? Could you tell me? How can I interpret the meaning of that value? And what is the purpose of your analysis?
I don't understand what do you mean.
What is the objective of your analysis?
Okay. This objective of our project is about analysis movement of spine.
So you want to know the position of your
Yes,
spine?
like that. Yeah.
So is that value that you can get from the sensor indicate the position of your spine?
You can see my projects. It have a flexible sensor on the vertical left and on the vertical right. When we get value of flexible sensor, we get value of flexible sensor. Then we convert to table 1 and plotting in graph.
So you will get the position, right, of the spine. Am I correct?
Right now, just only a number, not a picture of position of spine.
So you get the coordinate. The number is a coordinate for what number?
Value of flexible sensor.
That's only the value.
Yes.
Of flexible sensor. Okay. And you showed the data of satisfaction survey. I would like to know, how does the satisfaction survey result relate to your analysis? Why that you intend to find the position of the spine, you analyze the spine's posture or the spine position, but why do you do the satisfaction survey? Is there any relation?
Again, please.
So you have your system attached to the back of subject. So you want to see the posture or the position of the spine of that subject, right?
Right.
But why the result of your study is a satisfaction survey result? I don't see any relation between your analysis and the satisfaction survey result.
Our project right now is not available. Have our projects have some broken off sensor and we developer in progress.
Okay, so if you want to develop the system, I recommend you to try to find the actual result of the analysis rather than using the satisfaction survey result. Okay. So thank you very much for your presentation and your
Thank you,
answer.
Vilas.
I continue from the question. My question is that did you get any advice from the medical staff or doctor before designing the product?
Again, please, I can.
Did you ask or get advice from doctor before designing your product?
Yes, re-interviewing with doctor.
Really?
Yes.
What? How about the result or the suggestion from the doctor?
Them told me about the designs should attach to back surface more than now. Yeah.
I think this is very important information that you should consider. Another question is that when doing a satisfaction survey, who is the participants in your survey?
Our participant is a student in our school and teacher in our school.
Student and
yes.
teacher.
Yes, 10 students and 5 teachers.
I'm not so sure that your participant can respond or can give your good feedback because they are not an expert in the field of this product. Actually, you should ask the doctor, the nurse, or you should ask the patient. And when looking at table number 1, I cannot see the item that reflect the effectiveness of this product because you asked about the design, the benefit, the system, material, and some other question. Actually, you should focus on the question that reflect the workability or the effectiveness of your product. I think in the future you should consider that question. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.